This is Ian Lamont. I'm the publisher of PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes, and I have a really cool thing to show you. It will basically let you spice up your presentations in less than 5 minutes using PowerPoint 365. So let's get started. This basically works the same way in a Mac or a PC. Basically, you need to be logged in. You need to have a PowerPoint 365 subscription. You need to open up a presentation. So this is a really kind of a dull presentation from a couple years back. What I'm going to do, you can see the slides are pretty boring. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spice them up using a feature called Designer. Go to the Design tab in PowerPoint 365, click on it, go to the very far right corner, and then click on Designer. And what it's going to do is it's going to suggest new design ideas for your slides. And like, let's say instead of having this, I'm going to use this stack of books. I think that looks pretty cool. I didn't tell it to use an icon with a stack of books, but it figured out that because I'm talking about publishing, that it probably deserved it. And then I can go through and choose other slides and see if there's any design ideas. So this one also, this is kind of a text-heavy thing, and it would be nice if I had some images like that. And I'm just going to keep on going through. Now, not every single slide is going to have options. Sometimes it says that there's no options available. Like this one says, sorry, no design ideas for the slide. That's fine. It's okay to have, one or two that look kind of old-fashioned, but I really like being able to choose new design ideas for my slides. It will basically take me like 5 minutes to go through this, and it looks a lot better than the old plain Jane, just kind of boring slides with the same template. That's Designer. That's how you use it in PowerPoint 365, and I hope this video helped. If it did, please take a moment to like it, follow me. See you next time.